On earth, almost 80% is water and rest is land. But yet, this minuscule of land has played a prominent role in the development of civilization, in the development of human evolution. And from centuries, this has been our basis of living, our identity, our respect, and our direction. It has been the basis of our journey. Yes, of course, this land is great. The path it has shown is great. The songs which it has deeply buried in its land are great. This land is greatly famous for its sacrifice, for its compassion, for its passion for freedom. It has taken a lot of scars and a lot of bruises, yet it has never lost its hope. It has never taken a step back. This is Telangana. This is Telangana. It has always been driven by evil factors, yet it escaped. It is released. That is Telangana. That is Bangaru Telangana. Human body consists of 95% skeleton and flesh and 5% of heart. But this heart plays a prominent role. If this heart is not valorous, then the rest of the body is just like a dead thing because you accept everything. You do not have enough courage to take on this world, to take on your dreams, to fly in sky. So open up your heart, let it run on its way. However, we may say this heart is one of the greatest creations of God. The courage in this heart is great. There is some infinite power in every atom. There is some miraculous power that watches us, that gives us life, that gives us what we need, that looks after us. And yet, if these people say it's God, it may be because if you see God in everything and everywhere, then He should be in a tree, in a photo, in a temple, or even in a